Hi, in this video, we are going to show you how to make a payment using your credit card through the CW online payment system. First, here are 3 examples of email reminders that CW systems may send out to distributors. The first example is the email in relation to your proforma invoice. This email has the subject proforma invoice, and at the bottom of the email, you will see the Pay Now button. Second is the email copy of your invoice. The subject line is CW Systems, and then the invoice number. At the bottom part of the email, you will also see the Pay Now button. Last one is the friendly reminder from CW Systems. On this email, you will see the list of invoices outstanding for payment, then the Pay Now button and the Pay by Installment button at the bottom. Now, if you want to pay via credit card, click on the Pay Now button and you will be directed to the CW Systems Simply Paid page. This page will allow you to view and download your invoices. Just click the View tab and then the Download button. You also have the option to select which invoices you want to pay. You may pay them in full or make a partial payment. Once you select an invoice to pay, it will display the full amount. Let us say you want to make a partial payment. Just type in the amount that you want to pay here, and once decided, click on the credit card and the Pay Now option. So, let us say that you want to pay the full amount for each invoice. Once you click the credit card and the Pay Now button here, you will be directed to the payment data page. Here, you just need to type in the email address where you want to get your receipt, the card number, the cardholder name, the expiry date, the security code of the credit card. Here you will see the surcharge applied depending on the amount you will pay. When you are done typing all the required information, click the Pay Now button here. Once the transaction is successful, you shall receive an email confirmation and you're done. If you want to pay in installments, just choose the invoices that you want to pay and click the Pay with Installment option. You must prepare the requirements needed and take note of the reminders when you apply for Pay by Installment, like what is showing on your screen. The Pay by Installment option is beneficial for customers who need more flexibility in managing their cash flow. If you have any questions about our online payment option, feel free to contact us. Thank you.